Do you know the single habit that separates successful day traders from the rest? It's not a secret strategy or a magic indicator. It's journaling trade details with precision. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to record your trade details so you can stop guessing and start growing your trading profits. This is a video of journaling the trades. This is the continuation of another video. Let me show you the first video. If you are new to this channel, first watch this what is journaling in day trading video. This particular video is the continuation of this video. So if you watch this video, you will understand more about the journaling. So let's get into the video, the trade details. In the first video, I have discussed about various things about journaling, and there I have discussed trade details. In this video, I have discussed about trade details, and this is the continuation of that video. I suggest you to watch it, then come to this video. I am going to give the link in the description section. So let's get into the video. Trade journaling isn't just about tracking numbers. It's about creating a roadmap to success. When you document every aspect of your trades, you gain clarity, consistency, and confidence. Now let's break down the key details you need to track and how to make them actionable. So there are a few more trade details we have to include, but I'm going to tell you these 5 important trade details and how to include these in your trading journal in an actionable way. Okay, I'll tell you first why it matters, what is the importance of the date and time of the trade, and I'm going to give you the action step itself. If you complete that action step, you are going to create your own trading journal. Okay, now let's get into the trade details. Number 1, date and time of the trade. Why it really matters. Listen this carefully. Timing is really everything in trading. Knowing when you enter and exit trades can reveal patterns. Trading is just about patterns. When you understand the patterns, you crack the code. Okay, then comes the other parts. So in order to crack the patterns of your strategies, you have to write down everything. Okay, like patterns about market conditions and your decision making. So how you actually do it? Record. The action step is this. Record the exact date and time of every trade. Compare it with market events like news, releases, or key technical levels to identify whether external factors impacted your performance. Hope you guys understand what I'm saying. So now let's see, asset trading is really important? Yes, it's important. There are many traders, those who trade different assets, like they trade Bitcoin, they trade silver, they trade crude oil or stocks or indices. So really it matters. Each asset behaves differently. You know, each asset behaves differently. A stock may react to earnings reports, while forex pairs or the bitcoins are influenced by economic data. Knowing your traded asset helps refine your strategies for specific markets. Here is the action step. Write down the name of the stock or any instrument. Note any unique characteristics like volatility or volume spikes that affected your trade. Okay, now the third one, entry and exit prices. Why is really matter to enter the entry and exit prices of your trade? These are not just numbers. These numbers define your edge in the trading. Understanding your entry and exit points can highlight whether you are entering too early, too late, or perfectly on time. Here is the action step. Log the exact price you entered and exited. Then Analyze if these points aligned with your trading plan and the market movement. Now, here comes the fourth one, position sizing. Why is it really matters? Yes, position sizing is matters. If the strategy predefined analysis is accepted by the market, and you have to prepare for the position sizing, because if the if the stop loss is big, you have to position size yourself to small lots. Okay, if the stop loss is as per your pre-market decision, you can go with all your lot sizes. So here position sizing is really important. Let me tell you why it matters. Position sizing is the foundation of risk management. Recording it helps ensure you are not overexposed or missing profit opportunities. Okay, the action step here is track your position size in terms of units or monetary value. Cross-check it with your risk per trade to ensure you are staying within safe limits. Okay, the final one is profit or loss. Why it really matters. Your P&L isn't just about how much you made or lost. It's a reflection of how well your strategy is performing. So you should include profit and loss in your trade details, in your trading journal. Here is the action step. Calculate your P&L after each trade. Use percentages or the amounts. Then analyze whether the result met your expectations based on your strategy. Now, here is the call to action. Start your trading journal today using these 5 details, and you know what? Once you start the journaling, you are going to improve it for your personality, as per your personality. Okay, for me, emotion, I should include the trade detail like emotion. Like that, you can change it as per your need. It's a journey, not a destination. So use these things in your trading journal, and think what else you have to add to improve your day trading or to improve your trading to get the profits, and comment the important trade details for you in the comment section, so that I will understand what are the different trade details traders are expecting to include in their trading journal. Okay, trading isn't just a task, it's your tool for mastery. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned to this channel, subscribe to this channel for more content like this. I am going to go in detail about psychology, trading journal, all the essential things you have to consider while doing your day trading. This channel is also telling about technical analysis about CPR pivot points. If you want to learn that, please go and watch in my YouTube channel. There are so many videos on CPR pivot points. Okay, so you can learn from these videos about technical analysis also. So now let's get into this. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay tuned to my channel. Every day I'm going to post a video on psychology or the mindset. Thank you.